Hello, my name is Allea Depetris. I'd like to spend a few minutes covering what I found interesting during my iNaturalistBioBlitz project. I believe the purpose of this project was to allow myself to easily be able to educate myself over species of animals and plants in my surrounding area. The app iNaturalist easily allowed me to be able to identify different animals and species by just a few clicks of a button. Here's the app iNaturalist that I used for my BioBlitz project. If you see right here, I have an account set up with observations. It was so easy to take these, and I will show you how. So once you find a plant, flower, animal, or insect that you're not sure the exact name, you will open up the app, select the camera, and snap a picture. Once you have snapped the picture, you will see that the app then provides the time and location and a few other information about the image you took. Once you select this, it will then show you what it is. Once selected, you can share with others. Another interesting thing about this app is once you make an observation, you can select this and read a whole bunch of information about the animal or plant that you observed. Not only will your observation tab take you to websites to learn more about the information, the app also provides the map of where other people have observed the same animal or species of plants. Another thing that the iNaturalist app allows you to do is interact with other people in your surrounding area. If you can see here, this is where I'm located, and here are a few plants that I identified. But then if you look over here, my neighbor, Debbie, has been identifying away at different plants. Here are a few more examples. Uh-oh, Miss Debbie. After covering the Me tab, which is full of observations, and the Explore, which has the maps full of other plants and animals observed around me, we have the Activity tab. Here, this tab I really like because it shows me surrounding people that are confirming my observations. For example, they confirmed that this is the darkwood cockroach. This project made me be out and about in nature and really acknowledge how many different species of animals and plants there are around me, just in my backyard. Here is another observation of mine, which is the southern sword fern. Here are some beautiful examples I would like to show, aka I call the cat farm. Hi, Sterling! Here is another example of one of my observations, which bloomed. This is another example, scientific name Canis familiaris, dozer. Yay! Canis familiaris! Here are the results of my observations. I have a total of 8 animals and 9 plants with images included. It was interesting to be able to see and observe some plants such as the aloe vera and gold pothos having the same class in monocots. It was also interesting seeing that every single one of my observations were in the domain Eukaryota. I also observed in my results that every single one of the animals are in the kingdom Animalia, and all the insects are in the class Insecta. I found this project really interesting and fun. It was nice to get outside and use such an easy access app that allowed me to teach myself about my surroundings. In conclusion, I really actually enjoyed doing this project. I might have been dreading it at first, thinking it was going to take all day, but I actually found myself not even caring about the time and spending so much time outside and learning so much about different animals, different insects, and plants. I actually went a little bit over observations than I was even supposed to, but I actually had a really fascinating to also see people just as close to me as my neighbors using the app as well. I'm definitely not going to delete the app and use it in future reference to be able to identify different bugs and plants. Education can be fun! Whoop!